Yeah. So in previous class, we were discussed about SQL Server introduction. You know, what is a SQL
Yes.
Server?
Yeah.
How many versions are there? So these kinds of things in previous class we were discussed. You know? So today we are going to discuss about data type.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Data types. So every language start with the data types only. Okay, na? So for example, if we are taking C++, Java, whatever it is maybe, every language start with the data types only. So why we are using these data types? So data types are mainly used to identify the which type of data it is. Identify the which data it is. Okay, na? So I
Okay.
will show you data. So here. Now see here. Okay, na? So this is the table data. You can also here some employee number, employee name, job, MGR, hire date, salary, commission, department number columns are there, right? So this employee number is belongs to which data type? Okay, na? So this column, this employee number column is belongs to which data type? Uh, this employee name is belongs to which data? Okay, na? So these columns are storing which data? So that that data is represented by data type. Okay, na? So
Okay.
this employee number is storing which data, like numbers data, like text data, like date data. Okay, na?
Yeah.
If you want to specify the type of the data, so we have to use the data types.
Data types. Okay.
So now please observe how to check the data types. For example, consider this table. So I want to find out the all the data types of these columns. Okay, na? So this is the first column, this is the second column, this is the third column. So I want to find out the data types of these columns. SP underscore help, give the table name. So now please observe. So here employee number is numeric, employee name is varchar, job is varchar, MGR numeric, hire date is date time, salary numeric, commission numeric, or department number numeric. Okay, na? So these are all are data types. Okay, na? So this column belongs to these data types. Okay, na? Here these are the lengths. So employee number having 5 and employee name having 10 size. Okay, na? Length or size, whatever it is maybe. Right?
Yeah.
Understood?
Yeah. So one question, sir. So what is SP?
So here
SP?
SP stands for stored procedure.
Oh, store procedure. Okay, got
Yes,
it.
yes. So this is the syntax to describe the table data.
Okay.
So how many columns are there? What is the data type? What is the size of the data type? You know? So how many
Yeah.
constraints are there? So what are the indexes available? So if you want to find out all the details, we have to use sp underscore help table name. Okay, na? So emp is
Okay.
our table name.
Got it.
So now we will see the types of data. So here the first one is tiny. So it is storing 0 to 255 numbers. And the second one is small int. Third one is int. Fourth one is big int. And the fifth one is float. The sixth one is real. The seventh one is decimal. And the eighth one is money. So these all are number data types. So these all are belongs to number data types. If you want to store the numeric data type, we have to use the these kinds of data types. Okay, na? So here small int storing. Sorry, it is storing 1 byte of data. Okay, na? So that means so it is 2 power minus 2 power 7 to 2 power 7 minus 1. So this is the storage area. So this is the tiny int storage. The next one 2 bytes. So this is 2 power 15, 2 power 15 to 2 power sorry minus 2 power 15 minus 1. And the next so int storing 4 bytes 2 power 31 to Sorry, here also taking minus. Here also take the minus. 2 power 31 minus 1. And the next begin to storing 8 bytes. Minus 2 power 63 to 2 power 63 minus 1. So this is the range of these all data types. Okay, na? So trinity storing minus 2 power 7 to 2 power 7 minus 1. Small int storing. Okay, na? So 2 bytes of data. So it is 2 complement minus 2 power 15 to 2 power 15 minus 1. So int storing 4 bytes 2 power 31 to 2 power 31 minus 1. So big int storing 8 bytes of data 2 power 63 to 2 power 63 minus 1. Okay,
Okay.
so
Yeah.
the next one is float. Float is also taking 8 bytes and a real taking 4 bytes and a decimal taking 5 to 17 bytes and the money taking 8 bytes. So this is the storage area of this data type. Okay, na? So like here, please observe.
Sir, one byte is for small int, that is small int, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Yeah. Small int or
So
tiny int, sir? Small int
sorry,
only.
sorry. Tiny int.
Tiny
Okay,
int.
now
Okay.
so 1 byte is belongs to tiny int. So two
Okay.
bytes belongs to small int. 4 bytes belongs to
Int.
int. You can 8 bytes belongs to big int. This 8 bytes also belongs to
Float.
float, and 4 bytes belongs to real, and 8 to 17 bytes belongs to decimal. So this 8 bytes belongs to money. Okay, na?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
here up to big int. Okay, na? Up to big int. So these data types so storing only. Okay, na?
Number.
So these data types so belongs to storing only whole numbers, positive numbers, and negative numbers.
Okay. Got it.
So here these data types storing like whole numbers, positive numbers, negative numbers. Okay, but here so these data types like float, real, decimal. So these three data types storing floating values. Floating values. Like the best example is like 3.456, like 10.97, like that. If you want to storing the floating values, we have to use float, real, decimal. Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
So and the last one is money. So this money is the special kind of data type in SQL server. Okay, na? If you want to store the currency data type, the best example is salary. So salary is a currency type, right?
Yeah.
Like sales, profit. Okay, na? If you want to store the such kind of data, we have to use money data type. Okay, na? So this money data type so belongs to currency data type.
Okay.
If you want to store the currency data type, we have to use money data type. Okay, na? So the best example of money data type is, okay, na? Salary column or sales or profit. So these are the best example of money data type. Got it? So these
Yeah.
all are belongs to number data type only. Tiny int, small int, big int. So these four data types storing whole numbers, positive numbers, and negative numbers, and float, decimal, and real. It is storing decimal values or floating values. Okay, na? Example is like of 3.456, 10.97. So these are the examples for floating values. So the next one is money data type. So this money data type is used to store the currency values. Currency values. Got it? So these
Yes.
are the number
Yeah.
data type. So any explanation is required regarding about these number data types?
No, sir. We are good.
Okay, thank you. Can I move the next data types?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So now next data type is uh, string data types or text data type. So whatever it is maybe. Okay, na? So these string data types are classified into two types. So here the first one is non-Unicode data type. Non-Unicode data types. So here the first one is char. So it is storing up to 8,000 characters. The second one is varchar. So it is also storing up to 8 8,000 characters. And the third one is text. So it is storing up to 2 GB data. Okay, na? So these all are belongs to non-Unicode data type. So the next one is Unicode data type. So here also using same data types. The first one is nchar, so which is storing 4,000 characters. The second one is nvarchar, so it is also storing 4,000 characters. And the third one is ntext, so it is storing up to 2 GB data. So this all are belongs to string data types. Okay na? So these data types storing alphanumeric data. So alphanumeric data in the sense, so here I will show you alphanumeric data. For example, ABC 1 2 3. So now please observe, so this is one alphanumeric data. So here we are having alphabets and numeric values. It can storing like number data type. It can storing text data type. It can storing alphanumeric data also. Okay na? It is storing any type of data, irrespective any type of data it is storing. Got it? So this string data type storing alphanumeric data. Like this is the combination of both text and numbers. It is storing number data type also. It is storing text data type also. Okay na? It is storing any data type. But previously discussed number data type, right? Okay na? So that number data types storing only numeric data. Okay na? It is not store the text data. Okay, it is storing only numeric data. But here string data type storing any kind of data. Okay, so here uh, please observe, you have one doubt. So this is also one of the interview question noted down. Forget about this unit. First of all, I will tell you what is the difference between non-Unicode and Unicode data type. So here in non-Unicode data type, you know, each character occupying 1 byte of data. But in Unicode data type, each character occupying 2 bytes of data. So this is the first difference. And the second difference is it is support language. But it is support all languages. So these are the two differences between non-Unicode data type, Unicode data type. Okay, now here the first difference is in non-Unicode data type, it is supporting only 1 byte of data, each character. Okay, now I am telling each character storing 1 byte. And here Unicode data type, each character storing 2 bytes of data. So I will show you practically. Okay, na? No problem. So it is support to non-Unicode data type support only English language. Okay, na? But here Unicode data type support all languages like English, French, Japanese, whatever it is maybe. Okay, na? Irrespective any data type, sorry, any language, Unicode data type support. So these are the basic difference between non-Unicode data type, Unicode data type. Got it? So here now comes to one important interview question. Note down. So sometimes interview are asking here carry is there. Okay, na? Carry is there and where carry is there. So if you want to store the alphanumeric data, so carry is enough to storing the data. So here size is also same. So this is also storing 8,000 character. So this where char also storing 8,000 characters. So then why we are using already char is there? Then why we are using the varchar data type? Okay na? So I will tell you the real time example. Okay na? So char is storing fixed data type, a fixed length of data type. Okay na? So here so it is converting or get done. It is fixed length of data type. So here the varchar is dynamic length data type. So what is a fixed length? What is a dynamic length? So here fixed length means if you know the uh, data size, so that is the fixed length. If you don't know the data size, this is called dynamic length. So the best example is, so tell me any one of the example of fixed length data type or fixed length data.
Phone number, sir.
Yes, exactly correct. Okay na? Exactly correct. So the phone number is how many digits having? What is the length? Exactly
10 digits.
10 digits, right? So here, so every phone number having, so in India I am telling, okay na, every phone number having 10 digits, right? So this is the common, okay na? That means fixed data. But here dynamic data example is person name, okay na? Person name. So person name means so one person to another person name is to variation is there. For example, my name is Srihari. So your name is Panendra and some other person name is Madhuri. Okay na? So here length is variance is there, right? So my name is taking 7 characters. Some other person name is taking 10 characters, and one more person name is taking 15 characters, right? So here there is no fixed length, right? So it is taking name to name is a variance is there. So that is called dynamic length. Okay na? If you want to store the fixed length, we have to use the char data type. And if you want to use the dynamic length, we have to use the varchar data type. So just simply tell, so char is the fixed length data type, varchar is the dynamic data length. Okay na? So if you know the uh, size of the data, we have to use the char data type. And if you don't know the uh, s- that data size, we have to specify the varchar data. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Understood what is the difference between char and varchar?
Yeah.
So this is also one of the interview question. Note down. So this is the first interview question. Note down. What is the difference between char and varchar? Or they are asking what is the difference between varchar and n varchar? Okay na? So already I told to you. So varchar is the non-unicode data type. Nvarchar is the unicode data type. So varchar it is storing 1 byte of data each character, and nvarchar each character storing 2 bytes of data. Okay, na? So like that you need to tell. Got it? Any explanation is required regarding about string data types?
No, sir. We are good. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Madhuri, you understood?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Yeah, okay, thank you. So one more thing. So these string data types can also not only alphanumeric data, numbers data, and text data. It is also storing special characters also. So here, like, what are the special characters? Like at the rate symbol and dollar symbol, and percentage symbol, brackets. So like that, it is storing special characters also, irrespective any type of data it is storing. Okay, na? So now we will move to uh, one more data type. So date data type. So here we are having only 3 data types. If you want to store the a date values, okay, na, like year, month, day. So we have to use the date data types. The first data type is a date. Okay, na? So here it is storing year, month, day. So next it is storing time, hours, minutes, seconds. And the third one is date, time. So this is the combination of both the date and time. So day, year, month, day, hours, minutes, seconds. So within the data type, we have only 3 data types. The first one is date data type. The best example is year, month, day. I will tell you. I will write one date 2025, 6 month, 7th day. Okay. So here hour means, so what is the hour? 8 hours, 45 minutes, something 23 seconds. Okay, na? Daytime means combination of both these two. Okay, na? It is taking these two, date and time. So it is taking date and time also it is including. So these are the date data types. So let's see the practically all the things. So here simply I am creating one table. So no problem. So Monday I will tell you how to create the table. Okay, na? How to insert the data, no problem. So create table. So the table name is demo. So here employee number. So this is I'm taking integer data type. like employee name, it is taking varchar. Here I am specifying the 10 and address. So this is n varchar. So here I am specifying 15 and phone number char.
Sir, is address any predefined one because it came in the blue color?
No. It is not a predefined. No problem. It is executed. Okay, now don't worry.
Okay.
And phone number. The next one is salary. This is a money data type. And for float decimal,
So can date be included in this table?
yes. Okay, na?
Okay. Yeah, and the salary as well if
Date
salary.
of birth. Date
Okay.
of birth I'm taking here. Date of birth I am taking a date data type. Okay, na?
Oh.
So no need to take the time. So just a date is enough. And the next one is
Salary, can we include salary? No.
salary I included.
Oh
Salary
yeah,
money data type.
the data type. Okay.
I want to include float decimal also. So I'm thinking those
Mm,
types. Uh, for example, age, so okay, no? So that's it. No problem. Decimal float we will discuss later. No problem. Okay. So here I am executing this one. So table is execute storing successfully. So now please observe here I'm not specifying the size here for the int data type. Okay, na? And money data type, date data type, and time data type. Only I am specifying the varchar data type, n varchar char. I am specifying the size for these data types only. Okay, now why? Because so if I am not specifying the size here, for example, here I am not specifying the size. So defaultly it is taking the only first character. Got it? It is specifying the, it is storing the only, if I am not specifying the size here, it is taking the defaultly, it is storing the first character only. So that's why must and should we have to specify the size here. But here numeric data types no need to specify here size. Defaultly it is taking what is the default size here? Int size 4 bytes, right? And the money is 8 bytes. Tin int is 1 byte, and here date is 3 bytes. So defaultly it is taking in the those uh, sizes. Select star from demo. So these are the column names. Okay, now so this is the empty table, right? So I'm not inserting any data here. Okay, na? Now how to see the all the properties of the table? How to see the all the properties of the table? sp underscore
Help.
help demo.
Demo.
Okay, so by using this command we can see the all the properties like column names, data type, size, constraints, index, whatever it is maybe. Now please observe. So this employee name, so integer data type. So here what is the default size is? Length
4.
is 4 bytes. Employee name, varchar. Here we are specifying the size 10. Okay. So here address, n varchar, it is taking 30. Okay na. So here I am giving the 15. It is storing 30. So what is the reason behind this? Any idea? Guess, any idea? So here I am address size is specifying the 15, but it is showing the 30. So what
Maybe
is the reason?
maybe that another 15 is default given by in the SQL itself.
No. Just now I told to you. So what is the difference between where and sorry, what is the difference between Unicode and non-Unicode data type? So what is the
So
first difference?
one is fixed and one is dynamic.
Like,
No.
no, that.
So difference between Unicode data type and non-Unicode data type. So this is the non-Unicode data type. This is the Unicode data type. Now tell me the difference. Just now I told you. See here, it is each character, it is taking 1 byte.
Right.
So that's why 10 into 1 how much?
10.
10. But here each character storing 2 bytes of data. That means 15 into 2, 30. Okay na? So because of this reason it is storing 30. So n varchar storing each character 2 bytes. That means 15 into 2, 30 it is storing. Got it?
Got it.
Sir.
And now phone number character. So the length is 10 and money. So what is the default size of money? 8 characters, sorry, 8 bytes. And data type, it is storing defaultly 3 bytes. And what is the tiny data size? 1 byte. Okay na? So like this we have to specify the size of the data. Understood? So here no, for the numeric data type no need to specify the size for integer, okay na, for money, float, small int, tiny int, like that, okay na. But here if you are taking the character data types like varchar, n varchar, char, so you need to specify the size. So otherwise it is taking defaultly, okay na, first character. So on Monday I will show you so how to store without using size, okay na. So this is the regarding about data types concept. Understood?
Yes.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Any explanation is required regarding the data types concept? It's
No,
clear?
yeah. So one question, sir. Here we are defining salary as money, right?
Yes.
Okay. So this money can be like acting like a float, right?
Yes,
So,
you can specify the like here float also, okay, like decimal also, like a real also. So you want, okay, na? But
Yeah.
just for conveniencing purposes, I am telling, okay, na?
Okay. Yeah.
So why? Because salary is a currency, right? So that's why I am specifying the money. But here you need to specify the float also. Okay, na?
Okay.
No problem. So now I want to explain here. So the difference between sometime some uh, silly interviews are also there. Okay, na? So what is the difference between float, real? So noted down decimal. So sometimes silly interviews are asking these type of questions. What is the difference between float, real, decimal? So these three data types use it to same purpose, right? If you want to store the decimal values, we have to use any type like float or real or decimal. Then what is the difference between float, real, decimal? Okay, na? So at a time I will show you. So first I will explain float. Okay, na? So here the difference is after precision, it is taking in um, whose numbers like many numbers. So here what is the precision you are asking? Okay, na? So here for example I am writing one thing. So 10.345. So here so here 10 is indicating scale and 3 345 indicating precision. So before point it is taking scale. After point it is indicating precision. Okay, now so here point is there in between 10 and 345. You know, we have indicating point, right? So before point we are indicating scale. So 10 is the scale. Okay, na? And precision means 345. After point it is indicating precision. Okay, na? So it is taking two length of precision. Okay, na? Got it? And the next is real. So here, so it is same like act as a float, but the difference is it is taking small precision. And the next one is decimal. Decimal. So these two are taking exact values. Float real taking exact values, but decimal taking approximate values. Okay, na? Decimal taking approximate values. For example, here I am taking 10.5 4 5. So real real as it is giving float real, it is as it is giving 10.45, but decimal giving 10. Okay na? So it is giving the 1 minute. Okay na? So decimal are taking approximate value. Got it? So that's it for today class. So I will tell you the with practically on Monday. Okay na? So any questions in today class?
No, sir. No, not at this point of time.
Okay, thank you. So on Monday we will meet same time. Okay,
Okay, sir. Yeah.
thank
Thank
you.
you. Happy weekend, sir. Yeah.
Yeah.